All lubrication points of a company that require any action are displayed under Systems in the mobile app of the Perma-Connect. Any action required for a lubrication point in another company is indicated by a symbol next to the drop-down list. Lubrication points with a due exchange or an error in the lubrication system are displayed in red. In addition, you will receive information in brackets about how long the error has already been present. Lubrication points for which the lubrication system is due to be exchanged within the advanced warning period are displayed in yellow, and lubrication system for which a software update is available are displayed in gray. To acknowledge an error, please open the details and follow the instructions in the app. Please eliminate an error cause first before acknowledging the error. Under All Systems, you can search for lubrication points in the search function by entering the designation, or you can activate a filtering via the buttons in the header. In the event of an error or upcoming exchange, you will receive a weekly email with the necessary information.